most popular exercises in any gym to try and build your six-pack abs is a sit-up. From all the work that Professor McGill's done, he's pretty much disproven this as being terrible for your low back, but this is an alternative that he's provided us with to still maintain your lumbar lordosis and not stress your discs out, but still build that trunk stability and those deep stabilizers. So we have Corey here again. We've got one hand under his low back there and the other hand on top. And both of these are going to guide him as to whether he's doing the exercise correctly. We're trying to create a brace in and around his lower trunk so that his spine is nice and stable throughout any movement. This is a simple movement for him to start learning. The hand underneath his low back here is to guide him as to whether he's actually flattening his lordosis. So his movement from here will be to try and lift his shoulders and head off the ground. And now we want him to take a deep breath in through his diaphragm. So this hand is guiding him as to whether he's breathing through his belly. And the bottom hand is telling him, is he arching his low back still? So if he's increasing pressure on the bottom hand, then we know he's lost his lordosis and he's able to correct that at home so that he's doing the exercise right. The top hand tells him whether he's breathing correctly, and we can do this for time, number of breaths, however we like to modify it.